students, in this video I will tell you about ratio in the simplest form, equivalent ratio, and then questions of exercise 10.1. Ratio of two numbers a and b not equal to 0 is a upon b and is denoted as a ratio b, where a and b are called the terms of the ratio. Ratio is denoted by the symbol, this double dot, that is called colon. The first term a is called antecedent and the second term b is called consequent. Now ratio in the simplest form. Usually the ratio is expressed in its simplest form. A ratio b is said to be in the simplest form if a and b have no common factor other than 1. Next is equivalent ratio. We get equivalent ratio if the terms of ratio are multiplied or divided by the same number. For example, 5:7 is equal to 5 upon 7. So 5 upon 7, we will multiply 5 by 2, we will multiply 7 by 2, and we will get 10 by 14. If you cancel it out, ultimately you will get again 5 by 7. You can multiply 5 and 7 by other integers as well. For example, 3 upon 3, 4 upon 4, 5 upon 5, and so on. Now is exercise 10.1. First question, first part is 144:84. Now what you will do, you will cancel numerator and denominator, and after cancelling it out we will get 12 upon 7, which is equal to 12:7. Now is the third part of this question, 720 milliliter and 4 liters. Here units are not same. Units should be same. So first of all we will convert liters in milliliters. So 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. So 4 liter will be 4000 milliliter. Now both the units of both the terms is same now. Now 720 milliliter ratio 4000 milliliter is equal to 720 upon 4000. You will cancel it out and you will get 9:50. Ultimately ratio in the end is unitless, because units of both the terms are same and that will cancel out. After this, let us take one question of first part of the question number 2, that is 3 upon 7 is equal to 9 upon x. Here what you will do, here you will cross multiply. So 3 into x and equal to 9 into 7. This 3 will go in the denominator of this right hand side. So x will become equal to 9 into 7 upon 3. Cut 9 with 3 and 7 3s are 21. So value of x is 21. Now let us take one question of question number 3. Let us take second part, 2 millimeter to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 milliliter. Now units are same. So 2 millimeter ratio 10 millimeter is equal to 2 millimeter upon 10 millimeter. Cancel out this 10 by 2 and we will get 1 upon 5, that is 1:5. Now let us take fourth part of this question, 1 year to 4 months. Now there are 12 months in a year. So 12 months ratio 4 months will be 12 months upon 4 months. Cancel out and you will get 3 upon 1, that is 3:1. Now let us take question number 4, second part. Two equivalent ratios of 5:3 are. Now equivalent ratio, as I have told you, what we will do, we will multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. So better if you multiply them by a smaller number. Now 5:3 is equal to 5 upon 3, which is equal to 5 upon 3 into 2 upon 2. So 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6. So it is the first equivalent form. Now second equivalent form, let us multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So 5 into 3 and 3 into 3. 5 into 3 is 15, 3 into 3 is 9. So like this we write the equivalent ratios of the given ratio. Now after this is comparison in question number 5. How to compare two ratios. Ratios are given 3:4 and 9:16. Now 3:4 is 3/4 and 9:16 is 9 upon 16. Now to compare the ratio, what we will have to do, we will take LCM, because already you have done how to compare fractions. LCM of 4 and 16 is 16. So 3/4, what we will do, we will make the denominator 16 in both the ratios. So 3/4 into 4/4, it is the equivalent form, that is equal to 12/16, and it is already 9 by 16. Now 12 by 16 and 9 by 16, we know a fraction whose numerator is greater. Now here 12 is greater than 9 because denominators are already same. Here 12 is greater than 9, so 12 upon 16 will be greater than 9 upon 16. And 12 upon 16 we have got from 3 by 4. It means 3 ratio 4 is greater than 9 ratio 16. After this, let us take one more part of the comparison. Let us take the fourth part, and the fourth part is 9 ratio 20 or 8 ratio 13. So it will be 9 upon 20 or 8 upon 13. So LCM of 20 and 13 is 260. So 9 ratio 20 will be 9 upon 20. We will write its equivalent form. We need here 260. It means numerator and denominator you have to multiply by 13. So 13 9s are 117 and 20 into 13 is 260. Similarly, 8 ratio 13 is 8 upon 13. We want to make here 260. It means numerator and denominator of 8 upon 13 we have to multiply by 20. So 8 into 20 will be 160 and 13 into 20 will be 260. Now you compare these two. Here we know 160 is greater than 117 because denominators are same. A fraction whose numerator is greater will be greater. So 160 is greater than 117. So 160 upon 260 is greater than 117 upon 260. Therefore 8 ratio 13 is greater than 9 ratio 20. Thank you.